Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain you what is LTS and what are different versions of Java. So by default, Java comes in two different version types. One is LTS, another one is non-LTS. LTS here stands for long-term support. So let's say if there is a bug or there is a vulnerability found in the Java version that you are using to create your software, then Oracle will fix that issue if you are using a LTS version. So let's say you have a requirement. Now this requirement can come from any client that you are working for, or you can create this requirement for your own. Once you have this requirement, you want to create the software for this requirement. So let's say it takes 6 months to a year for you to create the software from that requirement. Once the software is created, you release that software into the market. To create the software, you need to choose a Java version. So this is where LTS plays an important role, choosing the right Java version to create your software. So now we will discuss what is LTS in more details and different versions of Java. So first thing I'll do is I'll open up one browser. Here I'll search for Java SE roadmap. I'll click on the first URL, and if we scroll down, we will be able to see different versions of Java. Java 8 you can see is LTS, Java 9 is non-LTS. So you have to choose one of the versions which is LTS. The benefit of choosing LTS is, let's say if there is a bug or there is a vulnerability found in Java 8 in future, then Oracle will fix that until December 2030. But the same is not the case with 9. So let's say if you are creating a software using Java 9, then there is no support. So you will not get security updates for Java 9, but you will keep getting security update for Java 8 till December 2030. So that's why you have to choose a LTS version. As of now, you can see Java 7, Java 8, Java 11 and 17 are the LTS version, where Java 18 is the latest one, non-LTS version. So you can see Java 7 will expire in next 3 months. So you don't want to create your software in Java 7. So it's better to choose Java 8 or Java 11 to create your software. I'll provide the URL of this page in the description box. You can go and check it out and understand what is the meaning of LTS and what are different versions of Java available in the market as well.